In this video, we will learn how to unlock PPDM local OS admin account. As prerequisites, you should have access to the VMware Virtual Center UI, and you will also need root credentials for the PPDM host. As you can see, local admin account has been locked after 4 failed attempts to log on to PPDM server. To unlock this account, we need to log on to vCenter user interface, select PPDM virtual machine, and select Launch Web Console. Now log on to PPDM server using a local root account and use pamtele2 command to unlock or reset admin account. Last step is to test if we can log on to PPDM using local admin account remotely. Thank you for watching this video.